It's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile.
Good morning! Okay, so this time may boses na tayo. And we are going to cook fried rice today. Kasi meron kaming tirang shrimp. Meron kaming tirang shrimp. Uy, nasa na? Okay. So, pwede natin siyang ilagay sa fried rice. So, that would be the ingredient, of course. And then, we will have some carrots, garlic, green onions. Ganyan ang pag-store ko para hindi siya malanta.
What's that mean?
It's green onion. And then, we will be needing egg as well. But, wala pa. Pabili pa lang si sir. Anyway, I forgot to say that today is Thursday, 29th of August. 29th of August. And then tomorrow, may pa-event sa school ni na Mavi. So, I'll try to film that as well because that would be tomorrow. Sasayaw sila ng, ewan ko, for buwan ng wika. So, I'll try to record that
Did you know
and
that
film
song?
that. Yeah, I think. So, for today, mag-start na tayo
Cool.
prepare ng mga ingredients. And then, I'll try to show it to you. Okay, so we are going to start by chopping the onion, garlic, half of the carrots. I also added green onions, and I think I prepared 5 or 6 eggs because some of it will also be for Mavi. And then, so I started to scramble a little bit of the eggs, and that will be added to our fried rice later on. And then I sauteed. Now I used oil, by the way. I think this one is from bacon. So just sauteing the onion, the garlic, the carrot, and then the shrimp. And then I added a little bit of soy sauce and oyster sauce just to give it a little bit of taste. And then of course we put the day-old rice, so it's actually leftover rice. It's even better, I think. And then I tried to plate it. I think it's still a win. The plating is good. And then we started to dig in.
Weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah? And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've been missing you like every day. The world was falling and you always had my back. How am I gonna pay you for that? Reunited with you, give me someone.
Hey guys, it's Friday today and I forgot to vlog Ate Max kanina. She went to school na. I-pause mo muna. She went to school na with her DIY dress, Filipiniana Kinambalar. And nakalimutan ko. So, insert ko na lang yung pictures nung damit niya. Kasi it's just DIY. Kasi it's not really required. They're not going to dance or anything. Parang, it's just part of the celebration. They will just wear something, ano yan, ano ba yan, be? Pang Filipiniana. Barot saya, yun. So now, Mavi's turn. We are going to, my siya talaga yung may program at 1 o'clock. So, we are going to dress her up. Okay? Let's go. I think I'm gonna put your... Stand up. Wrong, wait.
Is the mall far away?
It is.
It's like over there.
It's like Ayala.
So,
Beside Ayala.
so we need to go to your airplane.
No!
Where
Sakit? Go.
is it?
Go. Ito, hindi talaga to DIY. So, binili ko na siya. Diba, I show it to you before. Yan, that's okay. That's okay. That's loose talaga. If you see your classmate, no, you're not gonna tuck it in. It's really like that. If you see your classmates, their dresses are like that too. Then this one, it will be like that. Look at them. Tada! Wait, I'm going to put double-sided. Hold, please. Okay, try the slippers.
Girl slipper.
You have to stick your feet. Pretty.
Wow! Isang mo lang ang bibili.
Siksik mo pa. Sige pa. Okay, the other one.
Dance! What is your dance?
Draw mo pa. Stop moving because this is, this chair is not as, sturdy as that one.
Look, look at the cat.
Wait, I'm doing... Alright, look at my mommy girl. Alright. So, yay! Please turn around, my girl. Oh no, look at me. Yay! Come on, dance. Tan, tan, tan.
Smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah.
Tayo naman. Tayo naman ang ayos. Mavi, can I have the brush, please? Hair brush. Sus Mariosep. So, si Ate Max nasa school siya. Kasi meron silang si Ate Max meron siyang potluck celebration kinembolar sa school. So, doon siya magla-lunch. Magkikita kami mamayang hapon na. Wala yung aking mamayang hapon na kaya magkikita technically. Pag uwi, galing kay Mavi. Okay. Then, yung lipstick ulit natin. Na I'm 17. Diba? Okay. Alis tayo by 12. Log out na ako sa work. Nag-excuse tayo ngayon ng half day lang. So, buti naman yung boss ko pumayag. So, see you there. And this is Saturday, August 31. Nag-tricycle ako papuntang SM. Kasi nagpa-nails ako dyan and the fam bam naiwan sa SM. So, nag-commute na lang ako dyan. Hi, friends! Kita pala ako sa labas. Wait, dito tayo. Slide. Hi, friends. So, today is Saturday, 31st of August. Grabe, ang bilis lang matapos ng August. Natapos na siya agad in just a blink of an eye. But anyway, today is 31st of August. Today is Saturday. It's 3:21 in the afternoon. Okay na ako. Okay na yung voice ko. So, pwede na tayong mag-vlog. And I have fresh nails. Hindi ko na din linag yung pagpunta natin sa salon. But thank God, I have fresh nails. Diyos ko, sobrang busy. But anyway, I vlog today because I'm going to cook. I'm going to cook. So, I was supposed to cook vegetables. So, ginataang kalabasa with hipon. But, we have a scheduled power interruption at 8 o'clock to 5. So, walang pang-grate nung electric grater. Walang pang-grate nung nyog. Kaya tayo ay hindi nakapaggata. Siguro bukas. Anyhow, kasi naayos ko na yung shrimp natin. So, I'll just make this butter, garlic butter. Pero magtitira pa rin ako for tomorrow because I still might cook tomorrow ng gata. And then, meron tayo ditong garlic kasi nga for the shrimp. And then, ito naman, na-slice ko na din to kanina. So, instead na put to waste, we'll use that sa adobong sitaw. We are going to cook adobong sitaw. I'll be quick. Come on. Come on. So, nalagay ko siya sa plastic. Pero naputol ko na yan and then nalinisan ko na. So, I just kept it para lang hindi masayang. So, anyway, I'll cook this today. And pork, we are going to make adobong sitaw. Okay? So, I thought that hindi ko pa ito na-share. So, anyway, sawang-sawa na ako sa kakashare ko ng pagluluto. Kasi yun lang naman yung interesting sa life ko, ang pagluluto. Wala naman ang ibang interesting because from the moment I wake up, I prepare everything for the kids, and then I work. So, ngayong weekend, wala naman akong ginawa. I just wake up, drink coffee, and then prepare for food. So anyway, we are going to cook na. Ladies and gentlemen, magko-cook din ako ng rice. So, iwan ko muna dito si Bachuchay, mag-watch, stand up. Because she always want to be part of the video. Oops, be careful with your chin. Move, okay. The sibuyas and the bawang. So, I will cook everything. I will cook rice first and then I will cook the garlic, shrimp, whatever. Buttered garlic. Ano ba yun? Butter garlic? Garlic butter. Shrimp. And then adobong sitaw. Okay? For dinner, we are going to make garlic buttered prawns or shrimps. So, ang ingredients niyan will just be garlic, butter, Dapat may paprika, but I don't have. So, I think I just added a little bit of salt and then pepper. And then I also add green onions. Kasi gusto ko yung taste niya dahil refreshing. And I also cooked adobong sitaw. So, I just sauteed the onion, the garlic, and the pork. And then I added a little bit of soy sauce and oyster sauce. Plus a little bit of vinegar, sugar, water, and then yung string beans or yung sitaw natin. And then tatakpan lang natin para kumulo siya. So, yun yung ulam natin for tonight. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching again. If you're new here, this is Simply Jenny. You're very much welcome to subscribe. If you're not new here, thank you so much for supporting me as always. And I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye-bye!